Session time 8:05 p.m. Welcome. I'm welcoming all of you all for Trio Ace International, the first cryptocurrency platform in network marketing using their Tether as its platform. So let me just have some protocol for you. What I will humbly request all of you all is, since we are in the Zoom meeting where we are unable to discuss immediately, like in a face-to-face, I would like to ask all of you all, just give me a minute, I'm admitting these people, okay? Like how I'm, unlike what, when we are doing it in face-to-face, I will ask all of you all, I humbly request all of you all, take down all your doubts that you have in a piece of paper and record it down. Once the presentation over, we can have a discussion on the question and answer sessions. Okay, I will give reasonable time on it. Okay, so let me share my screen so that we can go through our plan as per today's presentation. Okay, let me restart again and reshare. Okay, I believe that all of y'all can view this program. Now, I welcome again all of y'all. Today, the Trio Ace International is the platform that we are going to talk about. This is the first networking program that is actually works on three important technology known as blockchain system, matrix board system, and digital AI signature system. Now, blockchain system is the latest part where most of the industries are embarking into it, and we have the privilege in involved in a blockchain system for this Trio Ace International. Matrix board system is the system where we use our network marketing, which you will be seeing it in a short while I'm explaining the program and the marketing plan. Digital AI signature is the latest smart contract and other technology that has been developed. Okay, so now this entire program, which is known as Trio Ace International, is a platform where labeled as Trio, that means three. Ace means the acronym of Architecture Community Ecosystem. Now this entire platform is nothing but saying be a starter. That means be a beginner yourself in order for you to advance in your life with comfort and towards the luxury. Now the meaning of the word starter, advance, comfort, and luxury, as you see in the here, itself says there are four different stages in Trio Ace International where we can make financial accumulation in the whole program. So let me just go further into this program. In order for us to know more in detail about the Trio Ace, it is a crowdfunding program, in a total crowdfunding program in blockchain system. Now, the crowdfunding program in the year, we are talking about the advantage of decentralized system. Okay, the advantage of the decentralized system, like what the barter system that was encountered during the growth of the human beings' development. And now, lately now we are seeing the cryptocurrency, which is also close to the barter system. Both are decentralized system. Now, after the barter system has been involved, then comes gold as the factor, and also the metal coin as an exchange of monetary system in the human life. Now, when metal and gold becomes one of the theme, but however, there are some challenges that we have to face, then come a system called paper money or fiat currency. Now, this gold, metal coin, and paper money are under the control of a particular government of the day in a particular country, and it is controlled by some corporates. Mainly it is the government, and the corporates in the banking systems are the one who have this system to be controlled. That's why it is called a centralized system. Now, when the paper money involved, then because of the bulky and other technological development, especially since 1990, then comes a system of using the plastic cards for the debit card and credit card. For the debit card is the card where you use your own money, whereas credit card is the card where you use a borrowed money. Then from the plastic cards, it goes into the electronic money where the smart cards and online banking systems has been developed. So now if you look at it from the gold until the electronic money system, the entire systems are centralized system control. And when it comes to cryptocurrency, ever since 2008, late 2008 onwards, I mean 2009 onwards, you can consider until now, the Bitcoin gave a new development in the currency system. And this is an electronic currency in a very colloquial way of saying. And this system is decentralized system because there is no other middleman. If you ask me as how the barter system worked earlier, in the similar manner, in cryptocurrency system, it is the people to people, it is the peer-to-peer currency trading that takes place. So therefore, when this peer-to-peer that takes place, nobody comes in between. Therefore, until the person who holds the entire currency, whichever the currency that he wanted to embark at and transact at, to the normal fiat currency system, through whichever the bank or whichever the media that he wanted to go through, until then, it is not known to anybody. Therefore, cryptocurrency is a currency system whereby the decentralized system help you to manage by your own self. Nobody else will come into the picture. Whereas from gold to electronic money, it is a centralized system that we are focusing at. So the decentralized system in cryptocurrency is automatically is the benefit. It is a clear-cut understanding is the benefit of for the community compared to the centralized system. Like if you are having a bank account, though you have the password, but you can't access to other matters of the bank because it is controlled by themselves. Whereas in decentralized system, it is the total control. And I like to emphasize here, in decentralized system of monitoring through the blockchain focus, one is 100% transparent and secure. And the second one is, it must be in the cloudware so that it is unchangeable. Any program that is involved in decentralized system in blockchain, it must be 100% transparent and it must be in the cloud. So it is unchangeable. Now, there are cases where it is in blockchain, but it runs in a server system. Then the program is still under the centralized system because somebody can control. In the case of cloud, then there is no changeable things takes place. Therefore, the entire the major program is not in control by human being. Therefore, in Trio is that I'm going to focus today to elaborate further for you is a system that I'm putting it to you is a decentralized system in cryptocurrency, and it is 100% transparent and in cloud. Therefore, the program is unchangeable and it is fully secure. So this is the program that I like to highlight to you. But one more important thing also we must look into it. When it is in a cryptocurrency, we can see the very high volatility in every of our program. Now we can see there are almost about from Bitcoin, from Ethereum, There are almost about very closely 9,000 cryptocurrencies and tokens are world now. No doubt cryptocurrencies are, it's a peer-to-peer, it's meant for public to public, even individual entities by government and others, they also come into the picture and they can trade or they can exchange with each and others. No other government can control the cryptocurrency. They will be involving like how every individual involves. But because of the high volatility, like what is happening now in Bitcoin and Ethereum prices and all that. So knowing the fact, Trio is, when it is formed, they were considering the least volatility cryptocurrency in the whole program. Therefore, they chose Tether. Tether is also known as USDT. Tether or USDT is the cryptocurrency which is equivalent to 1 USD. Therefore, it is something like in this program, you are going to earn in US dollar. So therefore, again, unlike the other systems where you use the high volatile currencies, cryptocurrencies, here we are using the either least volatile or no volatile cryptocurrency, that is Tether. So therefore, it is your benefit. So next, now let me go further. What is the strength of this program called Trio Ace International? Just give me a minute. I need to admit many of them. I have some challenges there. Okay. So what are the strengths that I can focus to share with you? There are many strengths that I can put forward, but because of the time, let me highlight to you in two components. One, by means of program, and the other one is by means of marketing plan. I had never seen any other plan of such nature. So I would like to highlight to all of you all to just focus the strength of these two programs. Now, this is extra resource that we all are looking for, where it can generate money for us. So therefore, let us look into the strength of this program. Will it benefit you or not? Let us see. Now, in the program wise, when it is Trio Ace International was choreographed. One, in the program, there are many benefits, but I like to highlight the best 5 for you. It will be held by the system except in the initial conditions, which I will highlight to you what are the initial conditions for the time being until we satisfy that immediately. Okay? Therefore, the system, the so-called program will never hold your money at all. It will transact from one wallet to another wallet of the member. Second, the smart contract that we have, it is 100% in blockchain. Therefore, it is 100% transparent. No human interference that appears. And the Trio Ace International program is in cloud. It is not on server. Therefore, 100% safe for us. There is no custodial wallet. Now, in most of the cases, we do see that there will be a system where some companies accumulate saying that, okay, when you are having 1,000 USDT, or what you got to do is, you need to keep in the e-wallet of theirs, and then you can only withdraw after certain conditions. There is no such thing in here. In Trio Ace International, the wallet is created based on your email, and the password, everything is 100% in the control of the members. So the member is the only person who have the entire password and secret of it. Next, unlimited withdrawal. There is no system in here which will tell you, say you got 1,000, you got to hold 10% of it, then you only withdraw 90%. You are most welcome to withdraw the entire 1,000. Unlike in the other companies where you got to hold 10% or 20% of it, and you got to buy the other products and all that. So here you can withdraw totally the 100% of the amount that you have in your wallet. Okay, next. It is the stable coin that we use for the program. That is the beauty, that when they choreograph the entire program, Trio Ace International. It is the stable coin that they are using. So therefore, the stable coin is the Tether, and it is risk free in the among the compared to all the other cryptocurrencies. Now let us see what is the beautiful plan that we are looking at. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The 5 major important thing, the 5 major marketing plan that I like to highlight to you as the biggest strength for us. 1, you only need to have one profile, but you will end up getting multiple accounts. How is it possible? The whole program, when Trio Ace International was choreographed, it was meant directly for a genuine purpose, whereby you only come in with one name and one KYC, one documentation on it with your email. We cannot have a money game over here with a multiple account on the same people. However, for the benefit of the serious networkers, the program itself allow you to have infinite number of accounts as you are moving from stage to stage. When you complete it, you will get the detail later. Therefore, you still have the benefit as long as you are most discipline in your networking and you are focusing on the network marketing. Second, in the marketing plan, it is an automated system. Now, when we are upgrading in Trio Ace International from one level to another, there are 4 stages in here. The starter is the first stage, where the only place where we focus and develop our network. We do not have to worry about advance and comfort and luxury. Whether you like it or not, the system itself will push you to the advance and luxury, comfort and luxury as you finish your starter. Therefore, it's an automatic. Okay, so therefore, it is an automated system. Now, third, let me highlight to you, unlike in all other systems where all the transactions are going to a system's or a company's wallet or somebody's e-wallet, the transaction here in Trio is direct from one member's wallet into the other member's wallet where he or she is supposed to receive. It will never go into somebody and hold it, the system to hold it, and then you are receiving the money after some time. No such thing. I repeat again, the transaction is 100% transparent between the member to the member, never to any other company's wallet or system's wallet. And you earn from all the levels. I told you there are 4 levels in Trio Ace International, 4 stages, and you will be earning from, you are eligible to earn from all the 4 stages, and each stage has 4 levels. And the 5th one, most important one, we only use the minimum investment task to reach maximum level. The minimum investment here, let me highlight to you, unlike all the other program which I had never seen so far, the Trio Ace International has beat all the other plan by giving only one-time payment and lifelong payment. You don't have to have monthly purchasing, no quota system, no such thing. And it is the minimum amount that we are going to invest on it. So this is the strength that I like to highlight. Now let us go into depth how to see the procedures. How do I join and what I should have in order to join? Now, in order for anybody to join, if they have the smartphone, they are most welcome into the business. And when it is smartphone, there is an internet. But if you are having internet, since we are transacting some cryptocurrencies, which is a crypto asset, it would be better for us to have a strong internet. Now, next, the third one, we must have an active email. Make sure that our password is remembered. Now, once the email is obtained correctly, then we can create a Trio Ace International crypto wallet, and then we here. This is the investment amount that we always suggest. This crowdfunding only require you 36 USDT one time and lifetime. That's all. I repeat again, one time and lifetime 36 USDT. Kindly calculate yourself according to the country that you belongs to how much this 36 USDT is. The 10 Tron for timing, and which from next week onward it will become 30 Tron onwards, is the gas fee required while we are doing the registration and other transactions from time to time. So therefore, it is the 36 USDT plus 30 Tron that you need to upload into your crypto wallet for us to register you. Now next, once you have the money, now you are most welcome to register. Your register will go through a referral ID, the person who invite you. Now the person has the first thought about you when you wanted to join, when he wanted to develop this networking system. We cannot join the Trio Ace International anonymously using the smart contract directly. We must have a referral ID. Then once that is settled, actually you need to do the official confirmation by means of KYC verification. Now, why do we need to do this KYC? Know your customer. The reason is to make sure the money that we have and the money that we are going to receive should be from the right hand and to the right hand. So therefore, in order for us to make it in a proper, legal, official manner, make sure the KYC also completed. This is very, very important. So for that criteria, we need to do the KYC verification, and for that, one, you may have your national identity card or driving license or passport where you have your facial recognitions ID over there, and together with that, you have your utility bill or any documents, any letterhead, any say bank statement together with the logo saying this is the residential address the person is staying at. This is the requirement for anybody to join, and obviously above 18 years old. So this is the requirement of for any member to be a participant in this Trio Ace International. Now next, how do the marketing plan goes? Very simple and straightforward. Let me give you a summary of it again, gist of it. One, it is a 3x3 matrix, I said. As anybody registered themselves, they like the plan, they like to register. When they registered, all they got to do is develop a matrix system called 3x3. Now this platform has 4 stages to develop. Now, unlike all the other platforms, here only in starter we will be doing our entire network marketing. We don't have to upgrade by taking out from our pocket again and again and again. We only focus on starter. Advanced, second platform stage. Comfort, third stage. Luxury, the fourth stage. All are automated. Each one has the 4 levels, which is exactly similar duplication as starter. So therefore, when I show you the plan afterward, just focus on that. So always remember, in Trio Ace, kindly focus only on starter. That is the only place where you pay. You don't have to pay any more money from anywhere. Just focus diligently in the networking of starter package. Now, the 36 Tether, as I mentioned, is the only amount that we pay for the starter. And to advance advance ourselves to the advanced stage, all we need to do is make sure there are at least minimum 30 members have completed the KYC, which is a small matter. The rest are automated. So now, how do this simple process goes? Okay, let me show you a gist. You saw the plan today, you love it, okay, you started, you clear your doubts, you start the program, your investment is USDT 36 Tether. Then all you got to do is develop initial stage of bring in at least minimum 3 referrals for you. Each of these 3 referrals, say A, B, C, and D, they will be contributing for you as a token of appreciation. They will contribute 6 USDT each from their 36 USDT. So therefore, by introducing 3 of them, your first level is completed, and these three people will give you 18 US dollar. Remember, you invested 36 USDT if you count as an investment. It is a crowdfunding. When you introduce 3 of them who also contribute themselves with the 36 US dollar, you already earn the 50% of the contribution, that is USDT 18. This is the simple request. And all you need to do is, in order for us to start earning the money, it says the rule of Trio Ace International, it says that it is only the first time. In order for us to withdraw, must complete the KYC. Make sure our KYC is verified, and the moment we introduce the first 3, then the entire money will start flowing to your wallet directly. Every sign up after that will be, once the sign up is completed, the wallet will receive the required amount. So this is the basic requirement. Please understand that, people. So now let me go in depth a little bit on the marketing plan. See, I'm going to show you the starter package is the first package in 2 ways. One, when you are giving 36 USDT, where does this 36 goes? So when you are investing, say 36 USDT, the plan which I saw, which I will emphasize, which I like to endorse that, unlike all the other plan that I have seen in my life, the first level upline will be receiving USDT 6, your business partner. The second level business partner will receive 3 USDT out of your 36. Third level will receive 3 USDT out of your 36. And finally, the last one, the fourth level upline will be receiving 18 USD from this. Now, if you count this 18, 3, 3, and 6, is 30 USDT is paid back to the network. So only 6 USDT goes to the system where they pay. Because we are in the cryptocurrency, we have to have a platform. So since we are using a Tron platform, the Tron platform and maintenance for the gas fee, network fee, and other maintenance, then this 6 US dollar is used for, not anything else. Okay, next, let us see how do we earn from this network as a Tether. Say when you are coming in, you refer 3 of them, they are your first level business partners. From them, you will be receiving USDT 18 because they will be paying you 6 USDT each. Then when we work together with them, they will be bringing in 3 members each, because that is their minimum requirement. That will give us another level, that is second level developed, 3 each, which is 9 of them. Each one of them will contribute to you 3 USDT, therefore 27. Now, if you look at it, the first level and second level, the total is 45 USD. Whereas what you invested is only 36. You have earned more than what you have invested. Now, if you contribute further, we will work with the team. Your third level team, each of them bring 3 each, then do 3 each, which is 81 USD. How fast you wanted to do? I will leave it to you to decide. Okay, how much you wanted to earn and how fast you wanted to develop, it is in the networker's hand. Now, in the fourth level, you should be having, by right, you are supposed to have 3 each from the level 3 means 81. But not all the 81 of them will be paying you. Only 49 of out of the 81 will pay you, each one 18. So total is 882, which is in total, let us see what is the maximum we earn from starter. 1008 USDT. Now let me ask you a question. Do you have a system? Do you have any business? Do you have any kind of residual income that you invest 36 one time and lifetime, but in only one stage, you have 4 stages to go. Only in one stage alone, maximum you can earn 1008. This is only the beginning. And you don't have to invest anymore. Here is a platform in Trio Ace International that they gave you. So now, let us go further. Let us explore further. What about the rest of them in the level 4? In the level 4, I told you the first 49 of them will be paying you. The 50th and 51st person, I repeat again, the 50th and 51st person will be contributing on your behalf. They don't pay you directly, but they contribute to you on behalf to the system to reborn the account again. That means another reborn means another starter account is automatically opened through the system. You don't have to pay for it. So that is the 50th and 51st account, the benefit of it. Now, where do I place? Where do the second account of the starter will be placed? It is under the 51st person's account in your 4th level. Then now, okay, good. I have 51 of them paid. What about the 30? The balance 30 of them will be, okay, let us see how the starter works. The starter, you already have one, it is reborn. Therefore, the second starter will be starting on the level 5. Therefore, from the starter goes to the advanced, advanced to comfort, comfort to luxury. So every time when a starter account open, for infinite number of times, the repeated starter, advanced, comfort, luxury, starter, advanced, comfort, luxury will be involved in it. This is the beauty of the reborn, infinite number of accounts. So let me go further. So what about the balance 30? The balance 30 of them, their contribution 30 times 18, that is 540, goes to on your behalf to advance you to the advanced level. To the advanced level. This is the system. Ask yourself, where is the system that you have seen so far, where only one time we invest, but we focus on the development. Now, probably the USDT 36 that you have invested in the starter give you only 1008 USDT, but let us look into the advance. In the advanced platform, for you to advance, as I mentioned to you earlier in the summary, minimum 36 member has to be completing the KYC in order for us to be. Mr. Sumit, you can clear your doubt after my presentation, because allow me to finish the complete the presentation now. Okay, sir, I will re-explain to you if your doubt. Kindly note it down. Okay, so these 30 people from 120 of them in your all 4 levels has to at least complete the KYC in order for you to qualify for the advanced stage. Now let us see what happens to the advanced stage. In advanced stage, say the last 30 of them contributing for you, and that is the amount 18 times 30, 540. Now what about this? Again, I did the homework. Kindly look into it. Now from the 540, 20% of it goes to your first upline, first senior business partner. 10% of it goes to your second senior business partner. 10% of it goes to your third senior business partner. 60% of it goes to your fourth senior business partner. If you look at it, 100% goes back to the network, never to the system, never to the so-called company, whatever the name that you wanted to call. I love to call this. Ask yourself, is there any company that you have seen where they have 100% give back to the network, and that is the development that they are giving for the networker to win the race? Now, how do we earn from the networking? When you get the first three in your advance, they will be each paying you or contributing for you USDT 108 times 3, so USDT 324. Level 2, the same thing as how the starter that you have. The level 3, the entire 27 of them will be giving you. Now, in advance again, we have a rebond. Therefore, not all the 81 of them in the level 4 will pay, but only the 49 of them will be paying you. You did not contribute any single cent except the network allow you to contribute. Well, let us see how much we earn the maximum from the advance. USDT 18,144. How fast we wanted to develop, I'll leave it to the networker to decide. You already had 1,008 USDT in the starter, just the USDT 36 that you had invested earlier. Focus on your starter alone. Advance is automated. I will show you the detail of the automation in a while. Again, the 50th and 51st person will be allowing you to go for another reborn. So besides the starter go as a reborn, in advance again reborn takes place. Then how does this advance takes place? Reborn takes place. From the advance you go for comfort to luxury. Therefore it is already third account. So as it goes on and on and on, there are infinite starter, infinite advance account will be opened. And finally, in advance, the balance 30 of them in the fourth level, which is 30 times 324, will be on your behalf, contribute to move yourself to the comfort stage. Again, I repeat, you have gone from starter to the advance. Now you are moving to the advance, but you only paid 36, but you have taken 1,000 USDT and 18,144. Network is the only place. You are not re-contributing again into the advance. The system will contribute on your behalf. Okay? So just give me another 10 minutes plus or 15 minutes. I will finish the syllabus, the entire marketing plan for you. Now in advance, similar to the advance, in comfort, all the contribution is 100% payback to the network. No system that I have seen in the world which contribute back to the network. Okay? Just give me a second, guys. Sorry, just give me a second. Okay. 100% is paid back. 100% is payback to the network. And again here, unlike the starter and advance, here in comfort we don't have we don't have reborn account. So if the people who started this system, if they think they want the money back, they would have taken the 50th and 51st account also. But what they did is, if you look at the fourth level, 51 of them paying you back. I mean the networker, they don't take the The system doesn't take the 51st account. Will that happen in other network? Ask yourself. Here is a system, Trio Ace International, the only one which is from you community to the community itself, contribute back to the network. It is the win-win situation that I am seeing. So from Comfort, what is the maximum that we earn? USDT 338,256. 330,256 US dollar. Because 1 USDT is equivalent to 1 US dollar. People, ask yourself, how much is this in your country's currency? That is the beauty of Trio Ace International Marketing Plan. Your 36 USDT makes miracle for you to earn in US dollar. So let us see what happened to this balance 30 of them. Their contribution doesn't go to your wallet, but help you to move to the luxury, and in luxury, you earn the total. Again, I repeat, since there is no more luxury, the entire 81 of them in the fourth level is paying the member back. It is a 100% contribution back to the community. If the system, anybody choreographed the system, they would have taken, they said, no, let the 30 goes to the system producer. But here, the member, the network people will be earning the entire money. Let us see how much you earn from the luxury. It is the 9,237,888. That means 9.237888 million that you will be earning. Ask yourself, your miracle of 36 USDT, which from community to community gives you 4 different levels, stages of income earning. But let me don't stop. I still have different miracles from the Trio Ace. Unlike all the traditional or conventional business that you have seen, you are not taking out from the pocket anymore. Let me show you further. Now, how do this works? How is the total, the entire amount is working? Let us go further. The total grand total from all the 4 stages are 9.595296, 9.5 million US dollar. USDT means US dollar that you will be earning. So now further, let me give you a summary. The entire Trio Ace International, every member who joined, all they need to do is focus on the starter alone. You might be a person in KL, one of the city, or maybe another city that in KL, Malaysia. You might be a person in India, in say Chennai, the south side, or Delhi, or say you are in Assam, anywhere in India, or in China, or in Ghana, or in US. We already in more than 11 countries. The moment you focus on your starter, the 4 levels, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4 is completed. I repeat again, people. The first person in Trio is, the starter is your own township and that network. But the first person who complete the starter, he is the one who is going to work out from the world market. Then he becomes the first person to qualify to advance. From the advance onward, that means you have upgraded yourself. You are in the world market. The whole world will be below you if you are the first person to qualify as an advance. So once you are in the similar order, say for example, at 8 p.m. today you are in, there could be at 7:59, there's somebody before you might have come in. Or the next person who comes in at 8:01, that means who qualified, completing the starter, then he becomes the next person who qualified for the advance. Then the 8:02 is the third person, and so forth. And when the entire 4 levels in advance completed, then the first person who complete the advanced 4 levels will go for the comfort, and the comfort stage will start. Then the first person who complete the comfort stage of 4 level will be moving to earn from the luxury. We do nothing in advanced comfort and luxury. It is automatically is moved by the system. So there is already one person qualified in advance. We are only 6 weeks old baby. Why are you waiting? Clear it. Let be you the next person to qualify for advance. Let us rock the world on it. Now, let me go further. So this is all we need to do is, as a member, focus on the development of your starter network alone. Invest your 36, refer your 3, and help them to develop the 4 levels work. That's all. This is the only work that we need to do, the minimum effort. We don't have to come up with a new amount every month, every week. We don't have to upgrade from taking out from your pocket. We don't have to do monthly quota and other things. Now, what is the system that we have? Our system is called My 3, Your 3. As simple as that. That means you come in, you develop, say, you can take any amount, any number of days that you want. So let me give you a reasonable time period. You come in, you brought your first 3 in 5 days. Then we work together with the ABC, helping them to get their 3 each. Your second level is obtained in another 5 days. Therefore, in 10 days, your 2 level is obtained. So this can be done by everybody. So let me give you a complete gist. Say you come in, say in 10 days time, you got your 2 levels. So the next 5 days, this level 2 people will bring in their 3 each. Then your third level people can be achieved in 3 weeks or 15th days time. And similarly, when we work together with the third level business partners, your 4th level is completed in 20 days time. If you are thinking that you want to do it in 1 week time, then in 4 weeks time you can achieve your 4 levels. If you wanted to take 1 month to get your first 3, then in 4 months time you will get the entire 4 levels done. How fast you wanted to earn from the network, because this is a residual income that we all are working. How fast you wanted to develop your starter, and how fast you wanted to move to advanced, how fast you wanted to go to comfort. I leave it to you to decide. Our system, My 3, Your 3 is working. This is the successful system that we look for. So welcome to the starter board. And next, let me also go further. The entire focus for all of us to do is focus on the completion of your starter. Bring your first 3, get your KYC done, money started flow to your wallet directly. Focus in developing the entire 4 level. The total 4 level is only 120 people. Next. Like this is a summary where starter is the only place where we need to work to complete as soon as possible. The first person to complete will move to the advanced. The advanced is automated. The comfort is automated, and the luxury is automated. Once all these are automated and completed the 4 levels, depending on the speed of every individual group, then the total USDT 9.595 million can be achieved without any problem. The only investment, your miracle USDT 36, which will make you to have 9.5 million USDT. So this is to achieve your dream. I would like to highlight here again. I have finished my presentation. Have you ever have a system now in your hand? Have you encountered a system which is equivalent to TrioAce International? Your miracle USDT 36 only one time and lifetime, but focusing on work together with a team of 3x3. If that can help you over a period, depending on the speed of you and your team to achieve your dream. If you don't have, Trio Ace International is the platform that I welcome all of you. This, for you to know further, kindly attend this life-proof, transparent, 100% transparent program, Trio Ace International. You are most welcome to visit tronscan.io, which I'll show you later, and also trioaceinternational.com. This is the platform that I would like to share to you. Thank you very much. Now, I most welcome to the public here, those who attended for today, the 65 of you, to ask me any questions related to the marketing plan of Trio Ace International. Remember, it is the latest technology, that is blockchain technology and crowdfunding, that we are involving at. Okay, I let the public to open. Now, Mr. Sugumaran has raised your hand. Is there any question, sir? Mr. Sugumaran, you have raised your hand. Do you have any question? Okay. Now, earlier, while I'm presenting, somebody was asking me question. May I know, is there any questions from the public? People, you are most welcome to unmute yourself. Okay, Mr. Sugumaran, do you have a question? You have raised your hand. Can you unmute yourself and ask me the question?
Hello?
Yes.
Okay. The system did not allow me to unmute.
Okay.
Okay. Professor, good evening to all and also to you.
Okay.
You see, how this is a technical question. I also involved in marketing.
Okay.
You see, the turnover of the starter system.
Okay.
Up to the 49th member, you receive. That means your total earnings will be 1,008.
Okay.
And then the 51st and the 52nd member provides you the reborn account.
50th and 51st account.
Okay, 50th and 51st.
Sorry.
Okay. So that means you're talking about 72 USDT.
No.
Two account.
In starter account, your contribution is 36, but in your fourth level of your starter, only 18 plus 18 is contributed. So 18 plus 80 is 36 USDT. Are you getting the math? Mr. Sugu, you are unmuted again. Okay. Dr. Aparao, you raise your hand.
Yeah.
Can I get back to you?
Yeah, good evening, Professor. Good evening.
Yes, Dr. Aparao.
Good evening. Okay. I just want to know.
From where?
I am from Malaysia. I am from Malaysia. Klang.
Okay. Yeah, tell me.
Okay. My question is, where is the headquarters? Where is something?
Okay. For your information, this is a blockchain system. Okay, since blockchain system, it is the whole world. The whole world is the place. But for your information, our legal assistant team is in US.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, but blockchain does, anybody who embarked into the blockchain system and in cloud does not have to have a conventional kind of business. But we are attached to the fintech technology in US, whereby our KYC everything is done from the legal team in US.
Okay, thank you.
Most welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Hello. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
From Kajang.
Okay. Mr. Krishnan from Kajang. Okay.
Yes, I just want to clear one doubt.
Okay.
Actually, okay, during the starter,
Okay.
Okay, let's say we sponsor A, then A sponsor B up to D.
Okay.
After the fourth level, let's say
Okay.
we haven't completed the starter level. After the fourth level, what will happen? Just explain the scenarios.
Okay. Let me put it this way. See, when you are there and you have 4 levels down, all we receive is only from the 4 levels. Okay. Are you clear with that?
Yes, yes.
We don't receive anything from the 5th level, 6th level, 7th level, and all that. Okay. Are you clear with this first scenario?
Yes, yes. Very clear.
The moment you are completing all the 4 level of 120 people in your network and their payment for you, there are 2 important benefits that you are getting. One, in your 4th level, the 50th and 51st person's contribution help you to have another account of starter below the 51st person in the 4th level. So that means another free account is opened for you.
Okay. So
Then-
this existing member don't contribute anything to us.
No, you are placed below your 51st person in your level 4. So therefore you are contributing that to help him, whereby he will be now contributing his network's growth below you again.
Okay, understood.
Then when you still continue further completing your entire 4 levels, whereby the 120 people in your starter, then what will happen? You are now advancing yourself to the advanced platform.
Okay.
Good?
Okay. Thank you
And
very much.
the moment you qualify to advance, because the system will push you, whether you like it or not, once you completed and you fulfill all the requirements, you are automatically in advance. Whether you like it or not, your wallet will be started filling with money again and again.
Okay. Very clear, sir.
Yeah, welcome, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Most welcome. Okay, any other question?
Professor,
Yes, sir. May I know who's on the line?
Appara here.
Yes,
Dr.
Mr.
Apparao here.
Apparao.
I'd like to know the process. How do you pay the money? Where do you pay the money? How do you open account? Just a little bit. On those
Okay.
things.
How you get the money?
How I get the money? How do I participate first? How do I pay first?
You remember I told you once you have the smartphone, you have your wallet will be open in your smartphone. Try
Okay.
it. You must have a referral. You must have a referral person to open. So therefore, say you are introduced by one Mr. A. Okay, or you are introduced by me, say for example, then you should be getting my referral link to you in order for you to register.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So now
Yeah.
I don't have anybody. Can I take you as my referral? Professor,
May I know who introduced you to this platform? How do you came in?
I do not know how I clicked and I got into this. I do not know.
Okay.
I'll check.
Okay. When you pass me my number, then I will tell you what to do with my team members later.
All right.
Later, towards the end, you let me know your number. Okay?
All right.
Bye. Okay. Any other questions?
Yeah, Professor Sugu here.
Sorry, Mr. Sugu, isn't it?
Yeah.
Mr. Sugu, your voice is very low.
Hello, yeah. Can you hear?
Yes, a little bit better than earlier.
Okay, you see, it's a technical question, just a clarification.
Yep.
How is the turnover, the company can make so huge turnover to pay when the second, third, fourth level, it is on automated,
Okay.
and only the payment is only collected from the starter stage. So what exactly, how is the turnover received from the company to redistribute the earnings to the members of the third,
Okay. The
second,
system.
third level? Yeah.
The system doesn't goes to the system says one member when he joined, the money from his wallet goes direct to the other member's wallet, correct?
Right.
Therefore, the system doesn't say the company receives the money. And it is 100% safe. The moment, say, from my wallet goes to your wallet, nobody in between receiving it. So therefore, there is nothing to lose. Correct? Agree? Do I made that clear?
Agreed. But then how?
Yeah,
is the
yeah. I'm going to explain. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Don't
Right.
panic.
Right.
Okay. Then next, what will happen is you are asking where do the company get the revenue from and how do they have. Now, for
Right.
your information, which I need to tell you, the company has a larger plan on the database system. Okay, I give you a hypothetical answer to you now because I should not reveal certain things, but I give you the hypothetical answer. Probably the company itself can become one of the top person as a networker there.
No, my logic answer to this is the company is investing into cryptocurrency and making the money to pay the second, third, fourth level of auto members. That
If
is
that
my
is the
logic.
case, that
That
is
is
the
my
case, Mr.
logic
Sugu.
answer.
Mr. Sugu,
Yeah.
if that is the case,
Yeah.
when the payment goes from one member to another member, where do the company, they are taking their own money from their own pocket, they are playing the game? No.
You have a few days. You have few days to roll the money.
No. I repeat again, Mr. Sugu.
Right. Right.
One member when joined, his
Right.
money goes from one wallet to the other member's the recipient's wallet in
Correct.
real time.
Okay.
Real time, the moment the registration completed, the money goes to the other person's wallet.
Subject to KYC, na?
No, subject to KYC is the initial stage. The faster we do, they go. But let me answer the question in the other way, brother.
Yeah.
When I saw the whole plan, I did ask this question that in my mind. Let me be honest with you. Can I be honestly telling
Right.
what I had in my mind when I joined, Mr.
Yeah.
Sugu?
Yeah.
So when I saw the entire plan, there is no flaw. And I did ask the same question with you. The only thing that I did is, okay, when I have a good plan with me now, there is no flaw. I don't see anything that I'm losing because it's only USDT 36 and the entire contribution goes back to the community. So what I did is, I saw this only and I told in me within this only. I have a beautiful plan. So let me take the chance to develop this. I take the benefit and I also help the others to get the benefit out of it. And I thank here for the group of people who came up with this plan and I thank them. One thing I can tell you, because I can't tell you the other the system developers, the people's behind the whole program, their secrets. They have
I thought the company said you're very transparent to everyone.
No, remember, anybody who involved in blockchain, that transactions are 100% transparent. But can I tell you who you are and can I reveal your name and IC and everything, brother?
I guess for me, no issue because I'm dealing with the global market.
Then you are generous, but the people
because the system allows me to. No, okay, fine. Cuts out everything.
Okay.
How I mean not logic. I mean mathematically. How is it that the first stage when we can only earn 1,008, suddenly the second level we can earn 18,000 US? Where actually the additional income comes from?
Okay, can I?
It's a hypothetical question, I guess.
Now you are asking about the plan money. Let me share you the question. Now go back. Let me, just give me a minute. Just give me a minute, huh? Mr. Sugu.
Yeah, right.
Give me a minute. I need to get back to the slides. You wanted to know the math out of it? Here is the math. when new people coming in, I have the disturbance in the here because I need to also click. Okay, here. Just give me a minute. Give me a minute. I have this issue of. Sorry, Mr. Sugu. Just give me a minute. I have difficulty in opening immediately. So I'm reopening the PowerPoint. Just give me a second. Okay, can you view these slides? Mr. Sugu, do you hear me? Can you view these slides? Can you see these slides or not?
Oh, there is no slide for.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Because there is. Thanks, Mr. Dharma. Okay. Can you view these slides now?
Yeah, can.
Okay. Now, just focus on the question. You asked how the money goes. Now.
Yeah, from first level, we received 1,008.
No.
Our earnings.
No. Sorry. You are mistaken on that. I repeat again, not the first level. The overall income in the starter is 1,008 only, correct?
For us, yes, for each member.
Okay, are you clear with that?
Right, clear.
Then the 30 people in your fourth level, let me just eliminate these slides also. Okay, the 30 people in your fourth level, each of them contributing 18. So 30 times 18 is 540.
40, right.
Can you see the math?
Yeah.
Okay, am I clear with that?
Clear.
So this 540 is the contribution of each and every member who is going into advance. So when they go into from the advance,
the top four levels gets the 100%.
Yeah. That's why I'm getting some difficulty in the slides. Okay, now can you see these slides?
Yeah, right, can. Yeah.
Okay, in this advance, again in the fourth level, there are another 30 people who contribute 324 each. Do you agree?
Yeah, right.
Because 60% of the 540.
Yes.
That amount is the 9,720 goes to the comfort. Okay, am I clear here?
Yes.
Okay, any question that you have doubt?
No, I'm quite confused.
No, straight to the point. Where do you have the problem?
The 18,000 and the
18,000 is the total of the first level income 324 plus 486 plus 1,458 plus 15,876. That total is 18,144. Anybody who complete the advance will have a total income maximum of 18,144. Am I made it clear?
Generated by the system.
No, as the network grows, you earn.
Yeah, it is. I know it is technical, but
what is technical? Very simple maths. Okay, let me show you.
How the
First,
system?
Mr.
How is
Sugu,
it generating?
let me explain you here.
Yeah.
The first three level, how many people you have?
The first three levels. You have three.
No, first level, three of them, they give each 108 to you, correct?
Right.
That total is 324.
Right.
The next nine people in the second level, each of them give you 54. That total is 486.
Fine. Yeah, doctor, I understand that, but the technical thing that I'm asking is, where is this additional income generated from?
Okay, what additional income you are talking about?
At the advanced level, at the comfort level, and at the luxury level.
No. Let us go one by one because you are confusing by asking all.
The advanced level.
Each and every member who comes to advance comes with 540, correct?
But you are talking about auto.
Come again. That's why, see, I will explain to you again about the auto later. But are you getting this figure? Each and everyone who comes in will come
right.
with 540. Their contribution from 20%, 10%, 10%, and 60 according to the level will be paid to you.
Right.
That total is the one that you are accumulating as 18,000. As each and everyone comes in, they get the money. Okay? Every sign up completed, the money is into your wallet if you are there.
That means, to understand is that the 540 is the magic figure, nah?
The 540 is from the 30 people in your starter pack.
No, I mean that is exactly the figure that is coming down to pay you the 18,000
yes.
in the advance.
Okay, now I go back to the final answer that you had.
Yeah.
Now, auto means, say the first person who qualify from the starter will come and sit as the first person in the advance. Agreed?
Right, agreed.
The second person who qualified in the world, wherever he can be in Malaysia, India, Singapore, Timbuktu, anywhere.
Yeah,
he
right.
will be the second person to be sitting in the level 1. For example, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Then the second person in the level 1, third person in the level 1, then in the first person in the level 2, and so forth.
Okay, right.
Each and everyone come and sit below you in the advance. They will contribute according to the level they are in. Am I clear now?
Yeah, that means okay. I think I understand, because the 30 guys below you who's contributing the 540
in the starter.
In the starter, they are the guys who are contributing to total up to 18,000 in the second advanced level.
Yes.
And so on with the third level. And
in advance, these 30 people will be paying 324 each. That total is 9720. That is the one move you to here.
Okay, Professor, thanks. Now I get a clearer picture.
Okay, so same thing goes for all the other plans.
Other levels. Okay. Fine. Okay, right. Thanks.
Now, it is, okay, people, I like to highlight together with what Mr. Sugumaran's question is. Now, this is something like all of us take the money of what we have, our savings, we go to the bank and save them. The bank, and say, for example, they may give in 3 months once interest, or 6 months one interest, and 11 months, say 1 year once, according to the request. So let us take one example. Say 1 year once they are paying interest. Now that is also a crowdfunding. Ours is also a crowdfunding. That is a conventional crowdfunding. This is a crowdfunding created among the networkers in the community and within them. And it is in the blockchain, and go into the blockchain and check for the Tron scan. So for that, I like to highlight one more before anybody asks me the question. Let me go into one of the blockchain system here. Okay, I'm going into the, see, as people coming in, it is difficult for me to log in. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, sorry people, can I ask you again, do you view this page?
No.
You are not seeing. Okay, give me a minute. Because in my side, it is showing stop sharing. Okay. This is final question. Okay. Here, I type in tronscan.io. tronscan.io. Okay, I go in now. It is 100%, even if you are not a member, you can go into this page and check out the entire detail. You are most welcome to do. Because I want all your members who are coming in, be comfortable that you are in a very clear picture and you don't have any worry about where you have joined and is 100% transparent or not. Okay, do you see the page now? People, can I go further? This is a TronScan platform. Can I go further? No answer.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So this is Cryo.
Go ahead.
Cryo is international one word. And when you log in, type in that. You will see a page. Okay, so can you now see that it is a Cryo is international, and this is a TronScan platform because our whole system runs in a Tron platform, and this is the smart contract. Okay, and you can see the balance of the company Cryo is international is only $0. They take nothing. You wanted to know if you are an IT man, you are good in your programming, log into this contract, and you are most welcome to see the entire contract in here. You wanted to study about it, you are most welcome. But let me focus to you. What we are dealing is TRC20 and TRC721 because TRC are starting with TronScan platform. If it is Ethereum platform, EOS, you will be working on EOS platform. Okay, so ours is TRC. So now when you log in here, this platform, it will show you all the transaction ever since the first day. These are the in and out. You can see in and out. That is the money that is coming into the Cryo Ace smart contract and out from the smart contract. You can see now totally you can see 192 ever since last 6 weeks the system has started. Now, how do you read the entire plan? Very simple. Say some in means somebody has joined with say 36. The 100,000 is the gas fee that is counted in the gas and technical meaning. And the 36 when somebody banked in from his wallet, from means from that particular person, that means smart contracts wallet, it goes to the required person's wallet, 3 USDT. Another required person's wallet, another 3 USDT. Now then another person's wallet, oh TOGR is mine, it is another 18 USD. Why it is 18 USD? Because it could be the 4th level income, because 4th level pays 18, or that can be a person's income where he just completed 3rd person sign up and completed the KYC. So this is how the entire reading and transaction, and I repeat again, you can see for all the 192 pages in here. Go and look, if you have signed up, look for your wallet and see whether your money has paid or not. There are many companies says that they are in the blockchain system. You find out whether they are here or not. This is 100% transparent. Please log in and find the detail. So this is what I wanted to show you. Even if you haven't joined, you are most welcome to check it out by yourself, all of you. It is 100%. Now I see this crowdfunding. Facebook started with crowdfunding. Okay, so same thing, banking system, very colloquially, let me put it. Every banking system, we all, whatever the money that you have, you bang into the save in the bank as a fixed deposit. The bank collect the millions and they contribute to somewhere. But in the here, the system tells you, you do your own crowdfunding among your own self. We are not investing for somebody to be a millionaire, but they say there is a system that we have created for you, and together with us, you be a millionaire together with the others. So I'm not here to sell the soap or shampoo. I don't deny every products are very important and necessary, but I am here to see my financial freedom and my time back to me. So therefore, I love to have the financial freedom by having a nice program. That's what I see in the Trio Ace International. Okay, can I ask, is there any other questions you have?
Professor,
Mr. Galaxy A12, may I know your name and where are you coming from, sir? Can you unmute yourself and ask me the question, Mr. or Miss? I'm not sure because you have written the Galaxy A12. Yes, sir.
I'm Vijendran from Balakong,
Mr. Rajendran.
Cheras. Vijendran.
From Rawang, isn't it?
No, I'm from Balakong.
Balakong. Okay, you are very neighbor to me. Okay, yes, sir. Can I help you?
Yeah, is this system or company recognized by the government?
Okay, I told you the cryptocurrency system that we use doesn't belong to any company. One, and this is in blockchain. So when any system or any company involved in blockchain system, they will go either in the server or in the cloud. If they are in the server, they go to reveal where they come from and which server, which country they belong, and they go to register accordingly. Whereas we are in the cloud, therefore we entangle ourselves to fintech. Fintech is another government institutes where it will look for all the financial technology, especially on the electronic currency and all that. And our system does the KYC, abiding to the fintech, and our legal office is in US.
Okay, why I raise this question is because when transacting money, will there be problem?
Good. Now, in cryptocurrency, whenever you are dealing with the cryptocurrency, remember it is from peer to peer. As long as the money you are transacting is in cryptocurrency and you want to do the official transacting inside, no issue, sir. No issue because nobody knows the detail. But when you are, it is convenient for you to convert that to any fiat currency. Fiat currency means paper currency, whether to Malaysia currency or Singapore dollar or Indian rupees or anything. All you need to do is log into the money changer like Binance or in Malaysia, Luno and other things. Okay, am I clear with that?
Yeah,
Then
okay,
you can transfer to your bank. Now, the moment when you transfer to your bank, if it is a very huge money, they would like to know where the money come from. All you got to tell is, I am dealing with cryptocurrency. Then towards end of the year, when you are clearing your tax, just tell them that you earn from your cryptocurrency. There are some articles that about 1.5 months back, our LHDN, Malaysia LHDN, and have requested all those who are active in cryptocurrency, kindly reveal your transactions. You are most welcome to do there, sir.
Okay, noted. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay. It is 9:29. Is there any other questions that you have? I don't mind handling one more questions. If no, okay.
Professor, quick one.
Yes,
Quick
who
one.
is it?
Aparao.
Yes, Dr. Aparao.
Yeah, I'd like to know how do I begin? Where to start, how to pay, those type of things. I am decided.
Okay, I told you that I will talk to you.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Okay. Can I know your name, sir?
I am Dr. Parao.
can I know, okay, Dr. Apparao, may I know your contact number? I will contact you and let you deal with the right people.
Yeah, okay.
May I know your number?
012
012
3920
3920
790.
790. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll lead
Thank
you to the right people later.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Apparao. Okay. Now, people, what I like to see is, in my experience of 20, besides being an academician, in my 20 years of networking experience, I see the Trio Ace International is a win-win situation where one-time fee of $36 US, okay, you just multiply to your country's currency, and you don't have to take out any money from your pocket. If this program can help you to have another financial resource for you to earn money and solve your financial crisis, that will be a very helpful one. So kindly consider, sit with the people who brought you in, because they thought you as one of the first people to share this info. Thank you very much for your patience. I end here. I sign off from Balraman. Tomorrow it is our off day. On Friday